Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're making Mexico's favorite drink, and no, it's not the margarita. That's right, we're making La Paloma. So the Paloma is a great tequila cocktail flavored with grapefruit soda. There's typically two ways to make it. You can use it with fresh grapefruit juice and flavor it with simple syrup and soda water, or you can use grapefruit soda, such as Jarritos or Fresca. I'm going to use kind of a hybrid version of both. So let's get started. We're going to start with some fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounce into the glass. Follow up with our fresh grapefruit juice. We're doing 1/2 ounce. And then the star of the show, of course, the tequila. Now, I've mentioned this before. Most cocktails call for blanco tequila. I prefer reposado when making cocktails. I just find it has a richer flavor, so that's my preference, but use whichever tequila you want. I'm using Jarritos reposado. It's pretty much my go-to for cocktails. It's fairly inexpensive, but very flavorful. So 2 ounces of your reposado tequila. All right, that's it for the base of the drink. So we're going to chuck some ice into our glass. Whole bunch of cubes. And grab your tin, do your flippy move, lock it up, and commence shaking. Give it a good shake, good 20 seconds. Show off your moves, whatever you got. Okay, slap it to release. Now, before we pour this guy into our rocks glass, we need to rim it with salt, just like we would with a margarita. Now, I only like to rim half the glass, so I'm gonna grab my lime and wet half the glass, and we're gonna grab some kosher salt and go ahead and rim 1/2 of the glass. Basically, I don't like salt every sip, so half the glass is great. I'm also gonna put a straw in there in case you just don't want any salt, and you could always just not put salt on it. Hey, it's your drink. Okay, we want some ice in our glass, so put a bunch of ice cubes in there. Take a big chunk, crack it. Just fill the glass. Whatever ice you got, fill it up. Come on. Get in there. Okay, ice out of the way. Gonna grab our Hawthorne strainer. No need to double strain this, there's no bits of anything in there. And pour your cocktail into the glass. Now we want to leave a little bit of room at the top for our grapefruit soda. So if you've seen my Long Island iced tea video, I talk about the 80-20 ratio for cocktails with soda. You want to have 80% booze mix, 20% soda. I like it on the high end because I want to taste the tequila. I don't want to just taste the grapefruit soda. But if you like it more bubbly, just add more soda in there. Garnish, we're going to do a nice big slice of grapefruit, ruby red. And of course, we're going to put a straw in there. Like I said, if you like the salt, go ahead and sip. If you don't, use the straw. Both options. Top off with a little more soda. We want to go right up to the rim. And there you have it. There is the Paloma. A really fantastic tequila drink. Very refreshing. It's sweet, it's sour, it's salty if you like the salt on the rim. Just great balance of flavors. The tequila shines through, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's a fantastic drink. Go and make one. You'll love it. Okay, that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. You'll be notified when we upload new videos. And comment. Tell us what you liked about the video. Tell us what you didn't like. Don't forget to leave a like. It always helps. Like the video. We will see you next time. Cheers, guys. There's a hot dog in there. That's what he's trying to get at.